Hey there, pals! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a heartwarming tale of a close friend who overcame an abusive dad and grew into an independent, kind-hearted individual. This friend, since childhood, has faced continuous scorn from their father. He would ridicule them daily for being too quiet, too shy, and for not having friends. But here's the twist. He's proud of his quiet nature. Instead of succumbing to his father's criticism, he embraced his introversion. He prefers solo activities like gaming and reading rather than socializing. By focusing on himself and what brings him joy, he's become more self-assured and content with life. This story is a reminder that despite tough upbringings, we can choose to be happier and better people. So let's support each other in our journeys towards self-improvement and happiness. Thanks for tuning in today. If you liked this story, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Until next time, take care and keep shining.